Welcome back or welcome. If you're new here or didn't watch the last video, I broke my car again.
You what?
Came in yesterday looking all Sailor Moon and shit.
My crank pulley fell off, and in that time I didn't get new parts, but I've been doing some research. Fluid dampener finally got back to me the other day. I have to order my parts still, but I know what to get. We're a step ahead. Over the weekend too, I picked up some goodies to upgrade the Miata a bit more, give her some more power. You guys have been yelling at me in the comments, more horsepower, I need some more balls. I'm a female, I'm sorry, but I did get it a turbo.
What'd you get?
I got a T25 from Front Street Josh. Thank you, Josh. I have no idea the brand, but who gives a I had the manifold. I have an intercooler laying around the shop somewhere. Got the ECU. All I need is piping and some little accessories. I wish we get to go. That will be a winter project though. I apologize in advance for a super short video, as this will just be a yap session about our goals for the upcoming month and the year. As I stated before, the past week since I broke my car, since Lock City, I've been doing some research and waiting on answers, so we haven't been doing much, but I don't want to leave you guys without a video. My main goal for the rest of the year with this car is obviously fix the crank issue, get seat time in before the winter season hits, and then start the turbo build. Cosmetically, I am perfectly content with how she looks right now. There are a few dings, and obviously the paint is fading, which I've mentioned in past videos. We'll address that later on. There's always time. And I can always just put a sick livery to cover the imperfections. Maybe, just maybe, I will get a matching seat for my passenger. That'll depend so. If not, there's always next year. I still need to find the root of this issue as well. I like the sleepy eyes. Car event wise, this weekend, I am off to Gridlife Lime Rock with Nappy Boys Automotive. I'm also camping. It's gonna be my first time camping at a Gridlife event and at a car event in general. I've done camping my entire life. If you guys have been here for a while, you've seen my van and experience videos. Check it out if you haven't. Pretty cool. And as you guys know, our big one is coming up soon. Final bout, final stage 9. Prep gets pretty hectic out here. It is also my 27th birthday! Jordy is also bringing his car for the first ever time. He's gonna drive US Air, open day, possibly some night driving on Saturday, and I'm working the entire event with Wiring Specialties. That's right, we are one of the sponsors. We are boothing. Come check out our pinout challenge during the lunch break.
Please, 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 please.
I'm making my friends do meet and greets. We got Prism Mike and Tay, and then we got Jimmy and the Front Street Gang. The rest of the year, LZ World Tour Canada, which I will be working another booth. We'll keep that one a little surprise because it's still in the works. And then right after that, fingers crossed, we head down to Polecat in Tennessee for the Chase Bay Select Driving event. I'm pretty sure there are some Lock City days in between October and November. Plus we got Drifters of December, the beginning of December. I really want to bring my car this year, but that's still up in the air as we played musical cars just to get to Lock City. I'm not sure that's gonna blow over at Summit Point, but we shall see, we shall see. Fingers crossed, I fixed my issue before my birthday, before we leave for final bout, so I gotta get on my I'm not the only one, because Jordy has prepped his car for final bout. You excited?
I am so stressed.
What do you have to do?
So much. Put airbags in the truck, do rear struts on the truck. I gotta make this pile look a little bit better, not as much of a pile. We gotta clean the truck, we gotta prep the truck, I gotta do oil change, I gotta do oil change on this, full bolt check, I gotta fix the hood, I gotta do a lot. I gotta fix the bumper because it looks like dog. I gotta polish the wheels. I really, really, really wanna do some interior stuff.
Watch that door.
Tell me what you think, Kai. I already started with the fan, you know? I don't think anybody saw the fan yet.
Show us what you got. 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 Show us what you got.
I found a blue one. It's pretty cool. But hear me out, Kai. I want to get blue like fabric and do the door cards, the inlay of the door cards.
You might be onto something.
While we're at it, should we do like the blue centers, like?
No. No, that's too much, Jordy.
Too
You had me with the door panels, but then you said the center. No, you lost me.
What about the glove box?
No.
Too much?
Too much.
All right.
No, maybe the glove box.
Glove box would be cool.
Maybe.
Little blue under panel.
Maybe. Mark it up first before you stick it on. If you guys have any questions too, leave them in the comments. I will try to answer them as best as I can, because I do read them.
All of them.
All of them.
Every single one.
Every single one. All the love and the hate. I see you. I see you. We got less than 2 weeks until final bout, which means lots to do, lots of content upcoming. So stay tuned. Please like, comment, subscribe. Check out the merch. I'll see you guys next week for Gridlife Adventures.